That's where a missile struck. It flew in right there. Boom. Blew out the whole wall during World War II. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Call the cops and say I'm trespassing. It'd be great. All right. Well, let's go ahead and get her cranking. So, so I'm not lying to you. Oh man, yeah, we are literally on the river, doing some splicing. Hello? Fuck. So, basically, where we're at here, where those yellow things are, is where our customer is. And back in here somewhere is about where our house box is. So we're gonna make the first trip in with stuff. And ow, son of a bitch. This isn't super as fun, I guess, but so basically got like 7 items I'm gonna go in with the first shot. And that will pretty well get me close. So let's go take a peek at what we're dealing with. So that's where, because the railroad tracks are right there, that's where we came up onto the customer's property or whatever. And I'm telling you, oh, it's a little bit of a hike to get there. This part's not as bad. The next part, it's a little sketch. Whew. So I think it's, oh boy, it's Friday. I'm gonna leave this bitch with like poison ivy or something. Fucking annoying. All right, okay, we're getting close. We're getting closer. What I signed up for. Okay. Huh? We got a house box. Oh, it's like to drain a pool or something. I don't know what that is. What's the thing with poison ivy if it's got 3 leaves? Got 3 leaves. Don't touch it. Poison oak. I don't know. I don't know what I'm looking at right there. It's a lot of bird bones. Well, here we are, kids. There's a lot going on right now. So, pretty much what we've got our flat drop. This is the other end of the drop we just hooked up, which is like 1,200 feet away. And then this drop is going to continue. It actually goes up, I thought it went up onto the roof, but I guess not. Dang, dude. This is a door. Dude, if I could open this door. Oh, that'd have been cool. I could have backed the van up in this bitch. Now the first is the actual customer that's like a permanent customer. It's this entire building. Now the second is a temporary customer, and I'm trying to figure out what is even going on here. Why is my drop cable is like 100 miles long? So that kind of sucks. So all this has to come out to even get started. Always put it through this loop. Just break that shit off. There we go. So this is nuts. Like somebody sat here and took all this extra time to put this in. I mean, it's freaking useless. Yep, that's 100% useless. Nice attempt, I guess, if you wanted it to look nice, but useless for me. So what we're gonna do, we'll go ahead and we'll prep this operation. I'm gonna get my cables all stripped. I'm gonna redo this at the end, you know what I mean? Like, but I don't understand why, like, it's like a 1,000-foot cable. And we'll prep this, we'll take all these tools back, then we'll bring the splicer and all that jazz, and we'll do the splice standing up, I guess.